Buying USDT on Binance using Payoneer requires a few steps, as Payoneer is not directly supported for crypto purchases. Instead, you can use Payoneer to fund a bank account or transfer to another payment method. Here's how to do it. Log into your Binance account. Go to the Binance website and sign in with your credentials. Deposit funds. Click on Wallet and then select Fiat and Spot. Click on Deposit to add funds. Since Payoneer isn't directly accepted, you need to transfer funds to a bank account linked to your Binance account. Transfer to your bank account. Use your Payoneer account to withdraw funds to your local bank account. Ensure that the bank account is linked to your Binance account. Complete the deposit. Once the funds arrive in your bank account, return to Binance and select the currency you deposited. Follow the prompts to complete the deposit. Buy USDT. After the funds are in your Binance account, navigate to the market section. Search for USDT and click Buy. Choose the amount of USDT you want to purchase and confirm your transaction.